The detail is absolutely phenomenal.
It's excellent.
Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies.
And I'm Marlon.
And we're going to do a bit of train work today, aren't we, Marlon?
Quite a lot.
We're going to talk about Peco's latest offering. Is that what we're calling it?
Yeah, we are.
Right.
This is a joint collaboration between Peco in the UK and Kato in Japan. We've been waiting for these for quite a long time, so it's
You said years, is that right?
years, more than a year. We've been waiting for this, and it's finally showed up today, and it's pretty exciting. And we'll show you guys what it looks like and how it runs.
Yeah, we're going to do a bit of an unboxing, but we're not actually going to take this one out of the box.
Gonna leave it in because we've got one on the track. Why don't you demonstrate?
We have, haven't we?
Yeah.
Let's show people what it's all about. What do you think?
I really like it. We've had this running on our test track that we've been working on over the last couple of weeks. And now that's all functioning and we've got something to test this locomotive on. Very good timing.
It is very good timing. And this loco hasn't even been what you call run in, has it?
No,
this
not
is
really.
Like straight out of the box. It's been running for about 2.5 minutes.
That's it.
And its slow speed capabilities is phenomenal, like in your words.
Yeah, it's what you want out of a small scale. So this is 009 scale, which is 00 scale is one of the more popular scales, particularly for British modeling. And this is a narrow gauge version of that. So it appears really small because the actual prototype it's based on in real life is quite small.
Yep.
And
what is the prototype called?
So it is they call it an 040, so it's a steam engine. 040 refers to the wheel arrangement. So you have 4 driving wheels and no lead or trailing wheels. And this is for the Ffestiniog and Welsh Railways. So we earlier in the year from Bachmann, from their narrow gauge line, they released the Ffestiniog double fairly. Remember the locomotive that looked like it had 2 locos on one frame, like one going one way and one going the other? So the same railway owns these as well.
Okay.
And I guess it's a really good year for Ffestiniog Railway enthusiasts. They've got a lot of prototypes, but it's a cute little unit. So the mechanism is made by Kato of Japan, and they've collaborated with Peco, who've designed and produced the body. And so it's a good joint effort, and I'd like to see a lot more things like this from them.
Well, do you want to get it off the layout and have a look
absolutely.
Close up?
Let's slow her down and
We'll shut it off. We'll move this one out of the way so we've got a white background. There we go, mate.
looks good. Maybe we'll bring that in for a closer look.
We'll bring that in for a closer look. Here we go. Let me get... There we
that's
go.
excellent. So there's 2 variations of this loco, and the only difference that I could tell were the names. There's the Prince, which is this one, and then there's also the Princess. So brother and sister locomotives, I guess.
Yes.
So yeah, you can see the wheel arrangement, 040. You've got your